Explain. The answer is first, graphite is a soft, greyish, black, crystalline allotrope of carbon. Second, in graphite, each carbon atom is attached to 3 other carbon atoms forming a hexagonal planar structure. Third, in graphite, free electrons move throughout the entire hexagonal layer and hence graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Fourth, and thus it is used to make carbon electrodes. B is, why are concave mirrors used in solar equipments? Let's see the answer of this question. The answer is first, when rays of light coming from a distant object or source such as the sun and parallel to the principal axis are incident on a concave mirror. After reflection, they converge to a single point, that is focus. Thus, a concave mirror is a focusing mirror. This results in a concentration of heat of the sunlight at the point. Hence, concave mirrors are used in solar devices. Our second question is, write definition of A. Work, B. Potential difference, and C. Power. We have to write any one definition from the above slide. Let's see definition of all the terms. First, work. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. B. Potential difference. The potential difference is amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from a one point to the another point. And third one is power. The definition of power is a rate at which work is done. Friends, in this question you have to write any one definition. It should be of work, potential difference or power. Let's see the question number 3. The question is, write the mirror formula. Let's see the mirror formula. It is used to find distance of object, distance of mirror or focal length. The formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. Friends, this is also called as mirror formula. Let's see the next question. Fourth, which type of bonds is present in saturated hydrocarbons? Which is the smallest hydrocarbon? Let's see the answer of this question. Single covalent bond is present in saturated hydrocarbons, and methane means CH4 is the smallest hydrocarbon. Now, question number 5. Which component of the electric circuit this symbol denotes? The figure is given here. You have to find the correct answer from this figure. And the question 6 is, identify the type of bulb connection in the figure. The figure is also given bottom side. Let's see the answer of question number 5. The figure is of electric cell, and in question number 6, the type of connection of the bulbs is the series combination. Friends, as you know, there are two types, series combination and parallel combination, but this figure indicates the series combination. Let's see the question number 7. If the angle between two plane mirrors is 120 degree, then calculate the number of images formed. Friends, there is a separate formula for calculate number of images if angle between two plane mirrors is given. The formula is n is equal to 360 degree upon a minus 1. So after putting 120 in this formula, we get number of images formed is equal to 2. Question 8. Carbon compounds are found in which two forms? Let's see the answer of this question. Carbon compounds are found in two states, which are free state and combined state. Question 2. Solve the following. The first question is, the symbols for the components used in electric circuits are given in the chart. Complete the circuit by connecting them at proper positions in the diagram. And also tell which rule can be proved with help of this circuit. Friends, from this diagram, you can put the voltmeter, ammeter, resistor, cell, plug key, variable resistance at their proper places. Second, observe the diagram and answer the questions. You have to observe the diagram and answer the questions. First question is, what is the position of the object? And the second question is, write the position and nature of the image formed. Let's see the answer of this question. First, what is the position of the object? The position of the object is between focus and center of curvature. Position and nature of the image. Position of the image beyond center of curvature, and the nature of the image inverted, real and magnified. Let's see third question. Question is, what is seen in the given experiment? State the reason behind that. Friends, observe the figure and note down the answer. In the experiment, the lime water turns milky. Lime water turns milky if you blow through the straw into the lime water. Now we can see the reason behind it. The reason is CO2 formed from air reacts with lime water, while precipitate of calcium carbonate is formed, due to which lime water turns milky. Fourth question. Which gas is released in the fire extinguisher? Write a property and a use of this type of extinguishers. Friends, we all know that fire extinguishers are used to extinguish the fire. So let's see the answer. CO2 means carbon dioxide is released from the fire extinguisher. CO2, carbon dioxide, is not combustible, does not support combustion. When it is sprayed over on a burning object, it covers the object and separates it from the air, and thus fire is extinguished. Question 5. Distinguish between. The first is kinetic energy and potential energy. Friends, in this question we have to write differences between kinetic energy and potential energy in the chart. First, the energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called its kinetic energy, and the energy possessed by a body on accounts of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. Second, it occurs only in one form, and for doing work it does not have to be transformed into another form. It occurs in various forms such as gravitational potential energy and electrical potential energy, but work is not done till it is transformed into kinetic. and the second one is conductors and insulators. Friends, we have to write any one of these two. Let's see the difference between conductors and insulators. First, a substance which has very low electrical resistance is called a conductor, and a substance which has infinitely high electrical resistance is called an insulator. Second, conductors contain charge carriers which can be easily accelerated by a potential difference. Third, silver and copper are conductors, wood and glass are insulators. Let's see. Question number 6. What will happen if an electric current is flown in the circuit in the figure? Which material is present in the pencil? Which property of that material found in this experiment? Friends, here in the figure, they had given us pencil, bulb and cell. So let us see the answer of this question. If an electric current is flown in circuit, it will flow as usual because graphite is present in the pencil, and graphite is good conductor of electricity. That is why it can flow as usual. Let's see next question. Question number 7. Write the rules for drawing a ray diagram by observing the given figures. Here we had 3 figures in front of us. Let's write the 3 rules. Rule 1. If an incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the reflected ray passes through the principal focus. The second rule is, if an incident ray passes through the principal focus of the mirror, the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. And the rule 3 according to figure 3 is, if an incident ray passes through the center of curvature of the mirror, the reflected ray traces the same path back. Friends, these are 3 rules. Let's see next and last question. Question number 8. Resistors having resistances of 15 ohm, 20 and 10 ohm are connected in parallel. What is the effective resistance in the circuit? Let's see the answer. We had given that R1 is equal to 15 ohm, R2 is equal to 20 ohm and R3 is equal to 10 ohm. 1 upon Rp, here Rp is effective resistance, is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. We had write this because of parallel resistance. So after putting